You know, there's all this hidden technology out there that keeps our entire world running. I'm talking about these silent guardians, working 24/7 to stop disasters before they even happen. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most important and yet one of the least known devices in our entire power grid. Okay, so to get a handle on our unsung hero, you've first got to understand what it's protecting. Power transformers. I mean, these things are absolute beasts. They're the backbone of the grid, and with good care, they can keep running for more than 30 years. Yeah, they are definitely built to last.
But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. While they're super durable, if one of them fails, oh man, it is a huge deal. The stakes couldn't be higher.
Look, a single transformer failure isn't just one problem, it's a whole domino effect. We're not just talking about the crazy expensive repairs or the time it takes to replace it. This can literally grind industrial production to a halt and can even mess with the entire power system. So yeah, protecting these things is absolutely critical.
So, the big question is, how do we protect them? Well, to figure that out, we've got to take a look inside. The real action is happening inside the sealed oil-filled tank.
All right, let's get our bearings real quick. You've got the main tank, that's where the core and windings are doing all the heavy lifting. Then, sitting above it, you've got a smaller conservator tank, which is basically an overflow reservoir for oil. And the whole system, connecting everything, is filled with this special transformer oil.
And listen, this isn't just any old oil, it's kind of a multitasking genius. First off, it's an amazing electrical insulator, right? Its high dielectric strength stops short circuits in their tracks. And second, it acts as a coolant. It soaks up all that intense heat from the windings so the whole thing doesn't just melt down. So here's the takeaway. The condition of this oil tells you everything about the health of the transformer.
And this is where our unsung hero finally steps onto the stage. It's a device that cleverly uses the behavior of that oil to act as a silent guardian for the whole transformer.
It's called the Buchholz Relay. And what's so cool about it is that it's this remarkably simple, totally mechanical device. Its real genius is its location. It just sits there in the connecting pipe right between the main tank and the conservator, basically watching everything that flows between them.
Okay, so what does this thing actually do? Well, the Buchholz Relay gives you two totally different levels of protection. Think of it like an early warning system and an emergency kill switch all rolled into one.
Here's the basic idea. On one side, you have the alarm signal. That's for the small stuff, your early warning. Then on the other side, you have the trip signal. That's for major failures, the big red emergency stop button. You've got two different causes, two different mechanisms, and believe me, two very different outcomes. Let's break down exactly how each one works.
Okay, so let's say there's a minor fault, right? Something simple like a bit of overheating. This starts to slowly break down the transformer oil, creating these little gas bubbles. These bubbles float up and guess what? They get trapped inside the Buchholz relay. As more and more gas collects, it pushes the oil level inside the relay down. And that drop causes an upper float to sink, which flips a switch and bam, an alarm goes off in the control room. It's just a gentle heads up, kind of saying, hey, you might want to come take a look at me.
And that switch it flips? It's this beautifully simple bit of tech called a magnetic reed contact. I mean, it's literally just two little metal strips sealed inside a glass tube. The float has a magnet on it, so when it drops and gets close enough, the magnetic field pulls the strips together, and that completes the circuit. That's it. No complicated electronics, no software, just pure, simple physics.
All right, now for the really dramatic stuff. A major fault, like a short circuit. This isn't some slow trickle of gas. Oh no, this creates a violent, massive surge of gas and oil. This blast of fluid races through the pipe and slams into a flap that's connected to a second float, a lower one. The sheer force of that surge shoves the float, instantly activating its magnetic switch, and that sends a trip signal to shut down the entire transformer, right then and there. This isn't a warning anymore. It's a command that prevents a catastrophic meltdown. And that, right there, is its most important job. I mean, the alarm is nice to have, for sure. But it's this ability to react in a split second to these huge faults that makes the Buchholz relay absolutely indispensable. It's what keeps these multi-million-dollar assets from blowing up.
So when you step back and look at the whole thing, you just realize the design is nothing short of brilliant. Just brilliant in its simplicity.
I mean, think about it. There are no microchips here, no lines of code, no complex electronics at all. It's just floats, magnets, and the basic laws of physics. It's a simple mechanical gadget that uses buoyancy and fluid dynamics to provide incredibly sophisticated, life-saving protection for our tower grid. It is the perfect example of elegant engineering.
And that kind of leaves us with one final thought. We've just peeked behind the curtain at one of these silent guardians. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple, brilliant inventions are out there, quietly having a massive, unseen impact on our daily lives? Definitely something to think about.